Welcome to TechMass. Today I will show you how to lock your phone with your fingerprints. It is 100% real video. First go to Play Store. Now search here ICE fingerprint lock. There you go. ICE unlock fingerprint scanner. Install this one, and I have already installed it, so let's open it. Check this one and let's go. First you need to enter any pin. Slide to right. Now check it and continue to enroll. Select any finger you want to lock your phone with. Now your camera will be opened, and do like this. It will scan your finger 7 times to fully read your finger. You can see verify success. It has been set. Now you can use it. Now go to home screen. Now press power button and press it again. You can see this is on screen. So let's try another finger to check will it be opened or not. You can see this is not the real finger which we have scanned in the start. You can see match failed. Now test another finger. You can see this is also failed. Now let's check another finger which is not the one which we have scanned in the start. You can see this is also failed. So let's check now the real one. It is the real one. Will it be opened or not? Let's check. Oh yes, success! It works! If you have any question, you may ask in the comment. Stay tuned for more videos and peace out.